Assalamu alaikum. Good morning pre-nursery class. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I am good as well. Enjoying your summers? Staying at home? That's very good because we all know safety is our priority. So very good. By the way, tell me one thing, students. Did you miss your school? Your class, your fellows, and your teacher? Yes, me also miss my students so much. That's why I am here for all of you, my cute little stars. Let's get back to our reading, writing, and learning routine. Should we start? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear pupils. Good morning to you. Yes, very good. Okay, so do you know what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn our first sound. Our sound is ta-dang. Do you know what it is? It's A. Yes, you all know. That's very good. A. Once again, A. Okay, now let's come with me and we are going to learn through whiteboard. What's this? A. Apple, 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 apple. Very good. Do you like the apple? Me also like it very much. Apple makes us healthy. Do you know that? Okay, next. A. Very good, students. Good job. Okay, next is aeroplane. Again, airplane. Very good. Aeroplane. Good. Airplane. Very good. Okay, tell me what's this? Arrow. Yes. Okay. Arrow. 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 Very good. Have you ever seen an airplane? Yeah, we have seen it on an airport. Yeah, good. Once again, we are going to revise our lesson. Apple, 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 ant, apple, 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 ant, airplane, 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 arrow, 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 arrow. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Okay, ji. Now we are going to learn our next sound. Do you know what it is? Any guesses? Good. Very good. It's ta-da! B. Very good. You all know that? What it is? B. Very good. Okay, first of all, we forget to say goodbye to apple, goodbye, ant, goodbye, aeroplane, goodbye, arrow, goodbye. Now we are going to learn b. Yes. Where is b? Here's b. Banana, banana, banana. Do you like banana? Yes. Banana makes us strong, makes our bones strong. Very good. B. ball, ball, ball. Bee, bee, bee. Ball, ball, ball. What's this, students? It's a butterfly. Yes. Do you like butterflies? They're so colorful. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. Very good. Clap for yourself. Good job, students. Very good. Now we are going to focus on our tracing. Yes. Have you done this before? I don't think so. It's on your English tracing book. Yes, you can find this page. They are right over there on dots, little small dots. And how to trace them? We are going to join all the dots like this. Yes, it's done. It's so easy. Don't you think? Let's try again. Match the dots, 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 dots. And here we go. Very good. It's what we written. Again. Join the dots smoothly. And here we go. Very good. Okay. Here is our next sound. That is B. Very easy. More than A. It's more easy to write. Here we go. Join the dots from the top, draw a straight line, and here is a smooth curved line. Very good. What we have written? B. Here's another try. Draw a straight line and a smooth curved line. B. Again, draw a straight line. Keep joining the dots and a smooth curved line. Very good. What we have written? Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Apple. Ant. Aeroplane. Arrow. Banana. Bee. Ball. Butterfly. Very good, students. Okay, now we are going to do this activity. Do you know what I have done over there? What do you see? What's this? It's a bee. Very good. Yes, it's a honeybee. It's a cute little honeybee. Okay. Bee start with a. Is it start with A? No. Is it start with K? No. Is it start with B? Yes, very good. We are going to match B with B. Very good, students. Great job. Very well done. That's all for today. Our today's lecture's time is over. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.